Hello everyone, in this video we will take a look at how to use our premium indicator TrapZone Pro. TrapZone Pro is an all-in-one technical analysis indicator which is available for TradingView platform today. On your chart, simply click on indicators and search for TrapZone. TrapZone Pro should show up in Community Scripts, TrapZone Pro by Snowflake Trader. Just click on the indicator and it should populate on your chart. Please note this indicator is invite only, so you will have to purchase the subscription plan on our website first, and then we will add your TradingView username to our user database so you can access this indicator. If you would like to take a trial of this indicator prior to your purchase, please email your TradingView username to support@snowflaketrader.com. Once you have added the indicator on your chart, you should see red and green trap zones on your chart. You would also see that the color of your bars have changed now. You can see green, red, and gray bars, also known as the trap bars, on your chart. Before we take a look at how to use this indicator, let's go over a few basic settings for one-time setup on your chart so you can use this tool more efficiently. First, click on chart settings and go to symbol section. In this section, make sure your borders for candles are switched off and the color of the wick is selected so that it's not distracting to you during your analysis. I use a black background for my charts and I changed the color of the wicks to black so you can't see them really. Once you have done that, let's go to TrapZone Pro settings. Within this, you could change the color of the long bars. You can change the color of short bars, trap bars, which are also known as no entry bars in the settings. You can change the color and opacity of your trap zones as well. I tend to like to keep my opacity at 30. Once you have configured your chart, make sure you save the settings as default so that these settings will be saved for you on the platform. Once you have your indicator set up, you can cycle through any of the instruments or symbols, and TrapZone Pro will provide you with the technical analysis for that symbol. Also, you can change the time frame and TrapZone Pro will adjust to show you technical analysis for that time frame. At first, let's understand what you're seeing on the chart using Tesla, which is my favorite stock, as an example. We are on the Tesla chart with 1 hour price candles. What you see here is a green trap zone climbing up and the price being on top of it, and occasionally the bars turn to green and then gray. A green bar above the green trap zone means the momentum is strong for those bars. A gray bar means that the momentum has fizzled out. This works on the bearish side as well. A red trap zone means a bearish trend. Red bars means strong bearish momentum, and then gray bars mean that there is no longer enough bearish momentum. Places where you see flat trap zones, you have flat lines on top and at the bottom. That just means the market is sideways, even though the color might be red or green. This is a good example of that. Once you see a trap zone climbing higher with the price, that means that the market is now trending on the upside. And when the trap zone starts to go down with the falling price action, you can say that the trend is bearish. Now let's dive into how to use TrapZone Pro for your trading. Now for your trades, you need a good entry, a good exit, and a plan to manage both. And TrapZone gives you all that, along with it warns you when the momentum is waning away in the direction of the trend and saves you for making FOMO entries. It also helps you to avoid fighting the trend, which means if the market is trending up and you see these green bars or gray bars for that matter, don't try to take a short. I know there's a temptation that you want to pick the top by taking a short as soon as you see a gray bar. However, gray bars can easily turn into another green bar later and then the market can start trending higher. You can see multiple examples of that. Don't take a short if you see red bars below a green trap zone. Don't take any entries within a trap zone. Could be a green trap zone, could be a red trap zone. Because essentially, when the market is within the trap zone, it does not have the momentum in the direction of the trend, and that's why we have created these green bars for you to know that the price action has the momentum in the direction of the trend. Same goes for a downtrend. If trap bars are being formed in the trap zone, don't take any shorts unless you see a red bar coming out of the trap zone. That's your perfect entry. Again, don't try to catch a falling knife whenever you see a gray bar, and that should help you avoid that trading mistake as well, which is picking a bottom or catching a falling knife. So initially we designed TrapZone Pro to help us avoid these common mistakes, but it also reveals great setups for long and short entries. And let me show you how. So we have put together examples of different types of trade entries and exits that you can have using TrapZone Pro all in this one chart. You have long and short entries here. You have examples of where not to take the trade, and you have examples of where you should take profits or take exits. Again, areas where you have flat trap zones, those are the least profitable trade entries. The best trade entry would be that the color of the bar is same as the color of the trap zone, and the bar is forming really close to the trap zone. This gives you an effective risk management tool where you can have a stop really close to that bar depending on your risk appetite, and let that trade run along with the trap zone and take profits based on your target. The next type of entry is a class B entry. This is often when the market resumes momentum in the direction of the trend, where a green bar will form right after a trap bar, or a red bar will form right after a gray trap bar below the red trap zone. Don't get tempted to take a short when you see a red bar underneath a green trap zone. Those are the worst entries. This is where the most traders get trapped. And same goes on the short side. If you see green bars above a red trap zone, I would avoid those entries. Also, it's good idea to take profits if you are in a trade and the price has moved away from the trap zone and you start to see gray bars. Here's a good example here. If you are in a trade with green bars and you see a gray bar forming away from the trap zone, it's a good idea to take some profits there. Here's another example and another one right here. So what we have done is created this single page for you to refer to now and in the future. I will provide the link to this example in the description box below. TrapZone Pro will perform the technical analysis for you in a single panel of the chart, irrespective of the market or time frame. The best part about this tool is that you can cycle through many instruments and at a quick glance see if there is some trading opportunity either forming or is about to form in that market. Hope this was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and share this video with your fellow traders, friends, and family so they can take advantage of this tool and improve their trading edge. Thanks for watching this video. Happy trading and stay safe out there.